Ever notice how one yawn sets off a chain reaction? It's not just contagious, it's your brain at work. These are mirror neurons, tiny brain cells that copy what we see. When someone yawns, your brain mimics it, like a secret signal. Even dogs and babies do it. It's like a universal yawn party, connecting us all through empathy. Scientists say it might help us bond or stay alert. Wild, right? Hit that subscribe button for more brain-blowing facts in your language. Follow Explica for quirky science secrets. Next time, we're tackling the universe itself. See ya!